Okay, so the second test is the addition of acidified potassium iodide into a test solution. So students need to know that acidified potassium iodide is a reducing agent, and when it is added, it is used to test for the presence of an oxidizing agent. So what is a positive observation? It is when the colorless acidified potassium iodide solution turns brown. Alright. So as you can see in this test tube, the colorless or the final color of the solution is brown. So this indicates that acidified potassium iodide has turned from colorless to brown, indicating that the solution in the test tube contains oxidizing agent.